Hi guys, today my topic is Lightsails. So I'm going to go through all about Lightsails and then how to create your instance, how to access the database and all those stuffs what you need to get started with your LAMP environment. So we click create an instance, Linux. Then we can either go with Linux directly OS and we can install the gem, and I prefer this one because like you can do the same stuffs on EC2 instance, but a lot of things are here in Lightsails where on one click of a button you can get everything. So I'll change the SSS keep here. I'll download my PAM. Then I go to create so this is my private key. Now I have to go to puttygen. Yep. So I'll load the configuration key. As you can see, I have already have this, so I need to delete it. So I'll go to downloads first and select all files. So I need to find this. Where is it? Where did you go? Lightsails spam 1. Okay. Then save as private key. Yes, I want to get it protected. Desktop. I'll go to my keys. Open. Then LIGHTSALES default. So okay, so I got my key now, PAM key. So as you can see now my instance is running. This is my public IP address. I would really like a copy button here as they have done with EC2 and all. This is your SSH window. Oh, it won't be connecting because just it has started. Take some time, 2 minutes like that. So we'll open my puttygen and then open this public key. I hope that it starts now because already time. So in order to access here the phpMyAdmin, you have to do a certain steps. First you have to go to authentication and log in as a default one, Lightsails ppk. Then you have to go to this tunnel, put here port 8888. Then in the destination port LOCALHOST and :80. Then you need to go to data as Bitnami and log in, and then you go to sessions, copy the same session here, and then Windows default, go save this session. As you have saved, now we can open it. Yes, okay, it is now opened. I think now it should work. Yo, see, you can either open the console here. We don't need this right now because we are directly going to phpMyAdmin. So in order to access your phpMyAdmin, you should go localhost 8080 as it is showing here, 8888:8888, then phpMyAdmin. Instead of this I need to go, I guess, 127.0.0.1. I think I need to start the session again. So I'll go new session, I'll close everything, I'll go to Lightsails, what is it, 5266, okay, 5266. I'll load this. I think somewhere around here something got changed. Bitnami is correct, authentication is correct, tunnels, oh I didn't add the tunnels, that's why. LOCALHOST:80. So you add this. Oh, it should not be 90, it should be 80 as our port, and 80. I think everything is fine now. If I open this, put to session again, I should be able to log in. Yo, so username you type as rwt root. Then what's your password? So in order to access your password, you need to type ls, and see there is a Bitnami application password. So go vi Bitnami application password. So that's your password. So I need to copy it carefully. Wow. And then paste it. Go. So as you can see your database now here. So where to upload your files? If I do now here, escape and quit ls. So cd htdocs, that's your folder to upload all your PHP files or your whatever you want to upload. So if I write here, suppose vi test.php, and we write here PHP. First I have to type I, then we write here PHP info, and you do a semicolon, and then if you save it, write and quit, you should be able to see your PHP address. And then in this Bitnami we have a file name test.php. So there's your PHP info. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe to it, as I'm really teaching you how to create your load balancers and auto scaling. And that's it for today. Thank you.